goal for today, the hexagonal ceiling. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is get ourselves a point. Let's set it right here. Next up we can get a hexagonal pattern here. Number slider of about 6, and for the EX and EO, well, we want to get a number slider of about 25. Place it in here and in there, like so. Let's graph these. Actually, let's flatten them. Then let's get ourselves an explode, so we can explode them up, and then let's simplify them. And now we can get a point on curve, and we can connect this one in there like that. And we also want to get a evaluate length. Place the segments in there. We want to get a 0.5 slider and place that one into our length to get it at about half. We want to get also a shift list, connect it here, and then get a number slider of -1, which in this case will not work, so we can just use 1 instead, like that. And of course we're going to need to get a line from 2 points, connect the point on curve on one and the shift line on the other, like so. Now we can select all of our elements and simply hide them. And let's get a good view here. Next up, we're going to need a list here. Since we are working with hexagons, we're going to bring in about 5 more items. So 3, 4, 5, like so. And now we want to get ourselves curve join. So curve join, or join curves. And to connect these, we want to go in I and 3. Then we can copy and paste these, give them some space. We want to go in 1 and 4 and 2 and 5, like that. Okay. Let's graph all of these here. Actually flatten. So let's flatten them all, like that. And we want to get ourselves our brep. I just happen to have one here hidden in a Rhino. A surface like this should do just perfectly. We want to get ourselves a geometry or a brep, and simply let's set that one. Okay. Once that one, you can go back into Rhino and simply hide it. Okay, good. And now we want to get ourselves a project there. So now we want to get in our curves here, and we want to get our geometry into here. And let's repeat this. So copy and paste again, and simply switch these curves to get them in there, like that. Okay, let's line these up nice and pretty. Okay. Next up, we want to get ourselves a move command, a z-axis, and I'm gonna put this in a simple panel. So 0.6. Let's put this in there. Bring this one out, and we want to add this there. And now the same process. So copy and paste. Put it there. Copy and paste. Put it there. And now we just need to change these numbers. So here, instead of 6, I'm going to place in 4, and here I'm going to place in 2. Okay, we can now see something here. Let's just hide all of our previous elements, like that. Okay, we're close to our objective here. Next up, we want to get ourselves a curve to join all of these in. Now we can graph them. Let's get ourselves a perp frame. Perp frames, plural. Okay, looking nice. Let's get about 4 per curve to make this a little bit easier to see, like that. Bring this out a bit. And now we want to get a rectangle which will serve our rail. And we want to get into domains, so we need to construct a domain. Construct domain. Okay. Copy and paste these. One goes in the X, the other one goes into the Y. Now let's pick up 2 panels. So one says 1.6. That one can go in the bottom for the Y. Copy and paste it. Bring it up here. And for the X, let's change this to 2. Let's add in a negative. Copy and paste again. And now you want to go with the A in there, with the B, like that. And simply we repeat the process for the top ones. Boom, like that. Perfect. You can also hide these now. You can see them down here. And now we want to pick up on our frames, place them in there. Okay, good. Right at the ends or in the middles, in the case of the middle preps. Let's bring this up here to give it a bit more room. Next up, we want to get ourselves a rail, or should I say a sweep, actually. We can place in our rectangles in there, and then we can pick up on our curves back here and place them into the rail. Okay, we are almost done. Let's bring this up here to give us some space. And now we can close them in with a simple cap holes. Okay. We can pick up on the entire code and simply hide it, just leaving the caps open. And now we can add in a preview, because we want to change the color on these guys. And a swatch to make it our trademark yellow. Okay, like that. Okay guys, I wish you all happy holidays. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you liked this small tutorial. See you guys back here next time.